Every family has a problem nobody talks about. Today, we are going to talk about ours. Are you ready? Let us begin.
Sam, look at me. Sam!
What, Mom?
When did you last eat? I don't know. Yesterday, maybe?
Yesterday, Sam. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And you did not eat because of that phone.
Mom, why are you crying? Because I am scared, Sam. I am scared for you.
Another morning, another quiet morning. Oliver, breakfast is ready.
Coming, Sarah. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. It is always 2 minutes. Sam, breakfast.
Not hungry, Mom.
Not hungry? Sam, you did not eat dinner last night.
I am fine, Mom. I will eat later.
Later. Always later.
Good morning, Mom.
Oh, Lily. Good morning, darling. At least you came.
Is Sam still in his room?
Still on his phone. He did not eat last night. Now he does not want breakfast.
Mom, this is not new.
What do you mean?
I have been watching Sam. For many weeks now, he is always on his phone.
Always. He does not play outside anymore. He does not read his books anymore. He does not talk to me anymore.
I did not know it was this bad.
Sam, what are you watching?
Videos.
What kind of videos?
Just videos. Funny videos.
Sam, look at your eyes. They are so red. Do they hurt?
A little, just a little.
How many hours today, Sam?
I don't know.
Sam, it is 4 o'clock. You started at 9 this morning. That is 7 hours.
So, I talked to my friends. Online.
Online friends, Sam. What about me? I am your sister, and you do not even look at me.
Lily, I miss you, Sam. I miss my brother, the real one, not the one who is always on his phone.
Sam, it is 2 o'clock. Why are you still awake?
Mom, I was just...
Sam, give me the phone.
Mom.
Give me the phone, Sam, right now.
Sam, you were on your phone for 9 hours today.
I know.
Does your head hurt?
Yes, my neck too.
Every time I put it down, I pick it up again. I don't know why, I just do it, without thinking.
Why did you not tell me?
I did not want you to worry, and I did not want to stop.
Oh, my boy, my poor boy. Tomorrow we talk, all of us, I promise. Oliver, close the laptop, please.
Just 1 second, Sarah.
Oliver, close the laptop.
What is wrong?
When did you last really talk to Sam?
Yesterday, I think?
You said hello, Oliver. That is not talking. Last night I found Sam awake at 2 o'clock, on his phone. 9 hours yesterday. He did not eat. His eyes are red, his head hurts, his neck hurts.
9 hours?
And Lily told me this has been happening for weeks. And we did not know because we were not paying attention.
I have been so busy, I thought everything was okay.
Nothing is okay, Oliver. Our son is struggling, and he needed us, and we were not there.
Tonight, we all sit together, all 4 of us. No laptops, no phones, just family.
Yes, thank you, Oliver.
Sam, how are you feeling today?
Better. A little better.
Sam, can I ask you something?
Yes, Dad.
Why do you use your phone so much?
Because it makes me forget
Forget what?
everything. When I watch videos, I forget school problems. I forget when I feel lonely. I just forget everything. And it feels good. I know, Mom, but Dad is always working. You are always alone in the kitchen. Lily is on her phone. I am on my phone. We are all in the same house, but nobody is really together.
Sam, I am so sorry. You are completely right. I have been so busy with my work that I forgot to be your dad.
No, Dad.
Yes, Sam, it is true, and I am ashamed, but I am going to change, I promise you.
I am sorry too, Sam. I saw you getting worse every day, and I did not tell Mom and Dad sooner.
You told them now. That is enough.
You are a good sister, Lily. A very good sister.
Okay, new rules. No phones after 9 at night, no phones at dinner, and every evening, 1 hour. Just us. No phones, no laptops, just family.
I want that. I really want that.
Me too, son. Me too.
You know, today was hard, but it was important, very important.
I feel better now,
Just talking.
just being here together. I feel so much better. Me too. Why does talking feel better than the phone?
Because we are real, Sam. The phone is not real. We love you. The phone cannot love you.
I love you all too. I am sorry for worrying you.
No more sorry. Just more talking. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Same time tomorrow, no phones, just us.
Same time tomorrow.
Same time tomorrow. Every day.